Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding Array Variables in Python, a Comprehensive Guide. Introduction. Arrays are fundamental data structures in programming that allow you to store and manipulate collections of elements. In Python, arrays are implemented using lists, which are versatile and dynamic data structures. This tutorial aims to provide a thorough understanding of array variables in Python, including their creation, manipulation, and common operations. Conclusion. Array variables in Python, implemented using lists, provide a powerful way to store and manipulate collections of elements. Understanding how to create, access, modify, and perform common operations on arrays is essential for any Python programmer. With the knowledge gained from this tutorial, you should feel confident in utilizing array variables in your Python projects. ChatGPT.